How to send USDT from OKX to Binance. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can send USDT from OKX to Binance account. To do so, first of all, you need to ensure that you have verified accounts on both OKX and Binance account. Once you have that, now you can open your OKX application on your mobile device first, and in this page, here make sure you are logged into your account. After logging into your account, here tap on the 9 dots icon at the top left corner. Once you tap on it, you will be taken to this page. In this page here you will need to select withdraw icon, which is just below the buy icon on manage assets section. Once you tap on this withdraw icon, now you will be taken to a new page. Here my account is not verified yet, so I am not able to proceed further. If your account is already verified, you will be taken to a new page. There you will need to select USDT as cryptocurrency. After doing that, now you will need to open your Binance application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account here. After logging into your account, you will need to tap on the wallet icon at the bottom right. Once you do so, you will be taken to this page. Here you need to tap on this deposit button. And after doing that, here you need to select deposit crypto option. Once you tap on deposit crypto, here in this list you need to find USDT. You may also use the search bar at the top, and there you can type in USDT in order to search for it. Once you find the USDT, now you can tap on it to select it. Under it, here you will need to choose the network first. Tap on this box and now you can choose the network Ethereum or ERC20. Once you have selected this network, now you will be presented with the deposit address that you will need to copy. Here verification is not allowed in my country, so I am not able to verify my account. As my account is not verified, I am not able to see the deposit address here. If you find your deposit address here, simply copy this deposit address, and after doing that, you will need to come back to your OKX account, and in the next page, here you will need to copy the deposit address from your Binance account, and after that you will need to enter the amount of USDT that you would like to send from your OKX to Binance. Also make sure to select the network Ethereum or ERC20, and after that you will need to confirm all the details, then tap on continue to proceed further. You will also need to verify your email address or two-factor authentication if you have added it previously. And after that, you will need to follow all the instructions in order to complete this process. Once all the processes are completed, you will be able to see the USDT in your Binance account. So, by following these steps, you should be able to send USDT from OKX to Binance. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.